Letters with more than one possible sound. E. When E is at the end of a word, it's pronounced E, like in h, e, he, sh, e, she. When it's not at the end of the word, it's a, like l, egg, leg, b, egg, bag. When two E's are together, it's pronounced E, like in m, eat, meat, f, eat, feet. I has two possible sounds. Sometimes it's E, like in eat, it, h-e-m, him. Or sometimes it's I, like f-I-got, fight, m-I-na-i, mine, sa-I-ta-i, side. O has two possible sounds. When it's at the beginning or end of a word, it's O, like in orange, piano. When it's not at the beginning or end, it's O, like ka'am, come, sa'am, some. When two O's are together, it's U, like ma'un, moon, pa'ula, pool. U has two possible sounds, like U, like in university, or umbrella, ta'ora, turn. Y has three possible sounds. E, like daddy, mommy, candy. Or I, buy, my. Or when it's at the beginning, it's yellow. Y at the beginning, it's always